Hi there. Since filming my last video of cleaning this room up and reorganizing it and painting the wall pink and pinking back here and stuff, I decided I wasn't satisfied with that. So, of course, I do what I do. I changed it. So anyway, I'm just going to show you some of the changes I went through. And then finally, what you see behind me, or see here, that's it. I'm done. But I always say that. But for real, I'm done for now. I don't know what else to do. The only thing I can do is just try to eliminate some of this stuff because it still feels junky and cluttered to me. I just want a clean, neat surface. Everything's away, hidden, and it's, where I don't have to look at it. Well, some of it. All these books and stuff, I've gotten rid of a lot of books. And I kept those there and I put them on those picture ledges. And I have the matriarch's pictures up there, mine and his. And of course back here, the little guy back here looks like my Yorkie who passed away. So other than that, this is it for now. I don't know what else to do. Like I said, I'll go through and try to clean up a little bit more. But that's it. Okay, I'm going to let you see what I've done so far. Enjoy. I have decided I'm not satisfied with the way this looks, so I'm going to change it. Here I have removed all the stuff off of the wall. I'm just not feeling this. So as you can see, I patched up the holes and I took one of the shelves down trying to decide if I want to put it back up. But I did take the other ones down that extended over where you see the holes are. And I'm just going to paint that entire wall white. As you can see, it's painted white. I put the shelf back up and put a couple of picture ledges on the side here and some books over here as well. And then I organized the inside of all these cabinets. Oh, this is where I keep these things that's tall, like my my duster, my stand for my lights. And one of my box lights is folded up in here. And this is for your iPhone, a holder. And tripod and ring light is over there. So let me put that back in the corner. So even with this over here and that, it's just too cluttered to me. It's bothering me, but what can I do? I'm not going out to buy anything new. I just have to work with what I have. Now eventually, I had mentioned before, I want to get rid of this at some point and get a Wi-Fi enabled or cordless printer, laser printer. And I just have to put that stuff away. And that's my little doll head that I'm practicing how to braid hair with. And I have that wig stand up there, even though I don't wear a wig, but I do have one that I've attempted to wear, but I can't stand it. Try to give my hair a break. Now, as you can see up here, back to this, I have these items up here. But then I'm thinking, do I want that there? I have a lot of camera stuff in here. I thought about setting it all up there, all up here. Let's see how that looks. These gold records, I'm thinking about hanging them over here. And then here, I don't want too much stuff on this area. I have my sewing machine in here. So when I get ready to sew something, I can do it. Or maybe I will put the office stuff over here. Take this office stuff and put it up here in the corner so I can access it when I need it. And then perhaps put the sewing machine there. Yeah. So I shall see. But again, like I said, I'm not satisfied. It's a work in process. I ordered this little pull-out drawer, the same type that I have underneath my little dressing table area, just to store items because I don't have a drawer in this adjustable desk. Inside your bedroom, we stopped counting the days, lost in the rhythm. Physical silence, no need to speak a word. As you can see that I am trying to rearrange just these shelves. And I had these quotes in my living room and I decided to remove them and bring them in here. And then once I got them up, I didn't like them, so I took them down and I figured somewhere else to use them. What I've come up with so far. Nothing here is new. I'm just trying to repurpose what I have, use what I have without having to go out and purchase something else. So, put this over here for now. I think I want a running theme, black and white. So these three here that I've had from IKEA from a long time ago, I'll either spray them black or white. Do a textured finish to them. Everything purple, either black or white. Yeah. Let's see, I put what camera stuff I have up there at the top. And over here, I'm still working this out. I put my M&Ms from Las Vegas characters because I love M&Ms. And people know that, so they always bring me something. Anyway, I picked these two up in Las Vegas. Also, the car over there. I still have to work this out. Everything in here is either going to be black or white, including this. I'm going to do a texture on this. I'm done with the purple. And the pink, of course. But yeah, so I had these quotes in my living room. Do what you love, love what you do. I got this from IKEA. Not IKEA, oh my goodness. Amazon. So, yeah, including the gold and sign. I think I will paint that too. I have the gold jacks. I don't know, maybe I'll leave those alone. And the clothespin, of course, I'm going to leave that alone as well. I'm still not feeling it, but you know what? Who cares? These cabinets are organized. I took a look at this and I decided I don't like it. I just don't like it. So of course I decided what I'm going to do is take everything outside that I said I was going to spray paint and spray it black. And just make it black and white. I'm also going to change out everything inside the glass cabinet. It's still messy, as you could see. A lot of stuff has been sprayed black. Took everything outside that I could think of that I wanted painted, and I painted it black. Brought it in, tried to style it here in these cabinets. And this is what it's looking like. Am I satisfied? Not really. Am I ever going to be satisfied? Probably not. But I still have to clean up the clutter. That box is full of items I have to shred. And, yep. It's my extra container there that I keep papers in. So I cleaned all that out. So it's on the floor for now. The setup now is I brought the chair over there in the corner. All that has to be cleaned up. It's a mess. It's a mess, I know. Those shoes, all those boots and stuff, some of them I'm going to put on Poshmark. Those boxes are empty. Excuse the clothes laying on top of there. And yeah, the chair is there. Not that I like it there, but I need to, I have to keep it. I don't feel like arguing with my better half. He bought me that chair, and I better not try to get rid of it like I do everything else. So I have to make it work. So that's why it's sitting there. And then I can still see the TV from the bedroom. So if I don't want to lay up in the bed and watch TV, I can sit in a chair. And then I put this file cabinet behind it because I don't know where else to put this thing. I can access it from that chair if I need to go into it and get something out. And just slide it, you know. And the desk is adjustable. I thought about putting it up underneath the desk and then bring the desk down up just above it. And I didn't want that either. So for now it's here behind the chair, and when I want to recline the chair, I'll move it over to the side. And as you can see, I can see the TV by sitting in a chair. I can also see the television from sitting at my desk, even though if I'm working, I do not need to be watching television. That big piece of entertainment center furniture has built me so long. The treadmill, I can drop that down, so it's nothing in the way once I move those boxes out of the way. I thought about, turning the desk facing that way, just then again, with all the cords, no. I ended up moving this piece of furniture against the window. I blocked that window off. I didn't want to do it originally because I wanted to be able to see out that window, but I can always open the door or go and look in the other room out that window. And this is what it is currently.